So in this video, a tip about how you can translate any part of a materia medica in your own language. So if there is not a materia medica in your language available, so let's say here I selected the Burger materia medica, and if you're living in Estonia, or let's say we are all fond of the Russians for the moment, let's say there is no Russian Burger, I'm not sure, I don't think so. If you read a part of the text and you want to translate it, you can use the software, the free software Deepl.com. So go to www.deepl.com, download the software, install it, then the following hotkey will be active, Ctrl+CC. So let's say I want to translate here this part. I select it with my mouse, and now on the keyboard I press Ctrl, so I hold down the Ctrl key, or on Mac Command, and I press CC, so 2 times CC. Now my Deepl software opens, and I have the translation here in French, and I could do here Estonian, for example, or what I mentioned, Russian. Here are my favorites, Russians at the moment. So, and I think Chinese is even possible. Yes, that's also possible. So, just select any part, or you can do one sentence or one word. So let's say this sentence. On the keyboard I hold down the Ctrl key, or on Mac the Command key, and I press 2 times the C, so I do CC, and you see my Deepl software opens, and there is the sentence, and this is Chinese, and I'm not sure, of course, if this is correct. So let's do here German. Die Magenschmerzen treten immer nach dem Essen auf. Yes, that's fully correct. And let me do here French. La douleur à estomac survient toujours après avoir mangé. Yes, as far as I understand French, that's correct also. So that's a great function. So you can also do this in the repertory, but I would advise you not to use Ctrl+CC because it also has the remedies, but we can do it. I do Ctrl+CC, and you will see here that it has also the translation. Now let me remove the remedies. So I see in this case, because it's capitals, it probably thought these are names, which it didn't translate, but when you click on it, you will be offered an optional translation. So here, absent-minded, there will be absenteeisme, I think that will be French, correct. Okay, so you can also, if you only translate the text, but then you do right mouse click, and you see here to copy the whole symptom is Ctrl+C, but to copy only the symptom text is Ctrl+Shift+C. And on Mac, that is of course the Command-Shift+C and Command-C. So I do Command-Shift+C, I go to my Deepl software, which is freely on my computer now, and I paste it, and there it is. And again, these capital letters, it didn't translate automatically, but you can select, and there it is correctly. Esprit absent miné périodique. So that's great, and there's a large variety of language available. So Indonesian, let me see, Malays, or I think it's called Indonesian now. Well, I cannot pronounce it, but that's it. Okay, I hope you like this function.